One of the most common challenges faced by older adults is muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. This gradual decline in muscle mass and strength can significantly affect mobility, balance, and overall independence. In particular, leg strength plays a crucial role in daily activities such as walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Fortunately, proper nutrition can be a powerful tool in combating muscle loss and supporting muscle health. Eating the right foods in the morning sets the tone for the entire day by providing essential nutrients that aid muscle repair and growth. Breakfast isn't just about filling the stomach. It's about fueling the body with high-quality proteins, healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that promote muscle maintenance. For seniors, incorporating muscle-supportive foods into their morning routine can help preserve leg strength, boost energy levels, and improve overall quality of life. In this video, we will highlight the best morning foods specifically chosen to prevent muscle loss and enhance leg strength after 60. Each food offers unique benefits, from supplying vital amino acids to reducing inflammation and supporting joint health. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and share it with your friends or health groups on social media. This helps spread knowledge and supports the channel's growth. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary guidance. Now, let's dive into the best morning foods to prevent muscle loss in seniors. Greek yogurt is one of the most effective and accessible foods for seniors, aiming to preserve and rebuild muscle mass, especially in the legs. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove most of its whey, resulting in a thicker texture and significantly higher protein content. This makes it an ideal breakfast choice for those over 60, as protein is the cornerstone nutrient for maintaining muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at synthesizing protein, which makes a protein-rich diet even more crucial for muscle health. Consuming Greek yogurt in the morning provides the body with a quick, efficient source of complete protein, supplying all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair and growth. In addition to its high protein value, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, live bacteria that support digestive health. A healthy gut plays a vital role in ensuring that the body properly absorbs nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and amino acids, all of which contribute to muscle maintenance and bone strength. For seniors, who are more susceptible to digestive issues and nutrient deficiencies, this added probiotic benefit can make a noticeable difference in overall well-being and physical performance. Calcium, another key nutrient found in Greek yogurt, is essential for healthy bones and proper muscle function. A calcium deficiency can lead to weakened bones and reduced muscular strength, especially in the legs, which bear the weight of the body and facilitate movement. Consuming Greek yogurt daily can help seniors meet their calcium needs without relying solely on supplements. Many varieties are also fortified with vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption and plays a role in muscle contraction and nerve function. Greek yogurt is a low-fat, high-satiety food that can help regulate appetite and support a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for reducing stress on the legs and joints, which helps improve mobility and reduce the risk of injury. By combining protein-rich Greek yogurt with fiber-rich fruits or nuts, seniors can enjoy a balanced breakfast that fuels the body while supporting long-term muscle and bone health. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse for seniors, particularly for those focused on preventing muscle loss and maintaining energy throughout the day. As a complex carbohydrate, oats digest slowly, providing a sustained release of glucose into the bloodstream. This steady energy supply helps prevent mid-morning crashes and supports consistent physical performance, which is crucial for preserving leg strength and mobility. Unlike simple carbohydrates that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, oats provide stable fuel that enhances stamina and aids muscle endurance. A major benefit of oats is their high fiber content, specifically beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that promotes heart health and stable blood sugar levels. While fiber itself doesn't directly build muscle, it plays a crucial role in digestive health, allowing seniors to absorb more nutrients from their diet. When the digestive system functions optimally, the body is better equipped to utilize proteins, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to muscle growth and maintenance. In addition to being a valuable source of carbohydrates, oats contain modest amounts of protein. Although not a complete protein, the protein in oats complements other foods well and contributes to the overall protein intake needed for muscle synthesis. Pairing oats with a protein-rich food like Greek yogurt, nuts, or a boiled egg creates a balanced meal that supports muscle recovery and growth. Oats are also rich in magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that play a significant role in muscle contraction and bone health. Magnesium, in particular, is known for its ability to prevent muscle cramps and improve muscle performance. These benefits are essential for seniors who may experience muscle stiffness or fatigue more easily. Phosphorus supports the structural integrity of bones, which in turn supports muscle attachment and function, critical for lower body strength. Eggs have long been recognized as a nutritional staple, and for good reason, especially when it comes to maintaining muscle strength in seniors. One of the most significant advantages of eggs is that they are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids the body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. These amino acids are particularly important for older adults, whose ability to synthesize muscle protein diminishes with age. By starting the day with eggs, seniors provide their muscles with the raw materials needed for recovery and growth. Beyond protein, eggs offer a rich source of vital nutrients that contribute to overall muscle and leg strength. One standout nutrient is vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, bone density, and muscle contraction. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness, particularly in the lower body, increasing the risk of falls and fractures. Eggs, especially those from pasture-raised hens or fortified varieties, can be a good source of this essential vitamin. Eggs are also high in choline, a nutrient that supports muscle control, nerve signaling, and brain function. For seniors, proper neuromuscular coordination is vital for maintaining balance and leg strength, especially when performing activities like standing up, walking, or using stairs. Including choline-rich foods in the morning can help support this delicate brain-muscle communication system and improve physical responsiveness. While some people may still be concerned about cholesterol in eggs, recent research has shown that dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol levels for most individuals. In fact, eggs can raise HDL, the good cholesterol, which supports heart health, a critical concern for aging adults who want to stay physically active and maintain strong circulation to the muscles. Eggs also contain important minerals like selenium and phosphorus. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect muscle tissue from oxidative damage, while phosphorus supports energy production and bone strength. These micronutrients work synergistically to support long-term muscle maintenance and reduce the risk of degenerative conditions. Spinach is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason, especially when it comes to muscle health and strength in seniors. This leafy green is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support muscle function, reduce inflammation, and enhance endurance. Including spinach in morning meals is a simple yet powerful way to help maintain leg strength and overall mobility after 60. One of the key nutrients in spinach is iron, which plays a critical role in transporting oxygen to muscle tissues. Adequate oxygen delivery is vital for muscle endurance and performance, particularly in the legs, which are responsible for large amounts of physical activity, such as walking, standing, and climbing stairs. Seniors are at risk of iron deficiency anemia, which can cause fatigue and muscle weakness. So adding iron-rich spinach to the diet helps combat these symptoms and supports sustained energy levels. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium helps prevent cramps and spasms, common complaints among older adults. It works alongside calcium to regulate muscle function, ensuring muscles contract when needed and relax afterward, reducing the likelihood of stiffness or discomfort in the legs. Another fascinating benefit of spinach comes from its high nitrate content. Dietary nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that improves blood vessel dilation and blood flow. Better circulation means that muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, improving strength, endurance, and recovery times. Studies suggest that nitrate-rich foods like spinach can enhance exercise performance, even in seniors, by improving muscular efficiency and reducing fatigue. Spinach also provides a wealth of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and support the repair process, helping muscles recover more quickly after exertion. Chronic inflammation can accelerate muscle loss in older adults, so the anti-inflammatory properties of spinach make it especially beneficial for long-term muscle health. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses that pack an impressive punch for seniors, aiming to preserve muscle mass and support leg strength. One of the standout benefits of chia seeds is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3s have been widely recognized for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for seniors as chronic inflammation accelerates muscle loss and impairs recovery. Inflammation can cause joint pain and muscle stiffness, limiting mobility and making exercise uncomfortable or even painful. Including chia seeds in the morning diet helps reduce inflammation and supports faster muscle recovery after physical activity. This is especially beneficial for leg muscles, which endure significant stress from walking, standing, and other daily movements. Besides omega-3s, chia seeds offer a good source of plant-based protein, important for muscle repair and growth. Although the protein in chia seeds is not complete, when combined with other protein sources such as Greek yogurt or eggs, it helps seniors meet their daily protein needs efficiently. Their high protein content makes chia seeds an excellent addition to breakfast meals focused on muscle health. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Improved digestion ensures better absorption of muscle-supporting nutrients, while increased fullness can help regulate weight, reducing strain on the legs and joints. Maintaining a healthy weight is vital for seniors to prevent falls and preserve mobility. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in chia seeds further support muscle function and bone strength. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction. Magnesium prevents cramps, and phosphorus supports energy production within muscle cells. This mineral combo makes chia seeds a comprehensive food for muscle maintenance. Almonds are more than just a convenient snack. They are a nutrient-packed food that provides vital support for muscle health and leg strength in older adults. Their unique combination of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals makes almonds an excellent addition to a morning meal designed to prevent muscle loss. Protein is a cornerstone of muscle maintenance, and almonds contribute a moderate amount of plant-based protein that complements other protein sources like eggs or yogurt. Together, these protein sources provide a balanced amino acid profile essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. One of the key strengths of almonds lies in their healthy monounsaturated fats, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in age-related muscle decline and joint discomfort. By incorporating almonds into breakfast, seniors can help mitigate inflammation, promoting faster muscle recovery and better overall muscle function. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative damage caused by aging and physical activity. Vitamin E supports muscle repair and reduces soreness, helping seniors maintain an active lifestyle with less discomfort. In addition to vitamin E, almonds provide magnesium and calcium, minerals crucial for muscle contraction, relaxation, and bone health. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue, common problems in older adults. Almonds help fill this gap, supporting leg muscles in performing daily activities smoothly and comfortably. Almonds are also an excellent source of fiber, which promotes digestive health and steady energy levels. A well-functioning digestive system ensures that muscles receive sufficient nutrients to repair and strengthen themselves. Maintaining muscle mass and leg strength after the age of 60 is essential for preserving independence, mobility, and overall quality of life. Muscle loss, if unchecked, can lead to decreased balance, increased fall risk, and a diminished ability to perform everyday activities. Fortunately, nutrition plays a pivotal role in preventing this decline and promoting muscle health. The morning foods discussed offer a variety of unique benefits that support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, enhance circulation, and provide sustained energy. Each food contributes essential nutrients such as complete proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which work synergistically to preserve muscle tissue and boost leg strength. Incorporating these foods into a balanced breakfast routine is a practical, enjoyable strategy for seniors to fuel their bodies efficiently. Alongside regular physical activity and proper hydration, these nutrient-dense foods help create a strong foundation for long-lasting muscle health.